Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir soda with Whey easy method. Start by straining kefir through a fine sieve to collect whey, then measure 1 cup whey to 3 cups water. Dissolve 2 tablespoons sugar and stir until fully integrated, then add flavoring like lemon or ginger. Bottle in clean flip-top bottles, leaving 1-inch headspace, and ferment at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours until bubbly. Collect your whey from strained kefir and measure carefully so flavors stay balanced. Combine whey with 3 cups water and 2 tablespoons sugar, stirring until fully dissolved. Choose a flavor like lemon, ginger, or a splash of fruit juice and mix well. Transfer into sterilized flip-top bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace for carbonation. Seal tightly and place in a warm spot away from direct sunlight for 24 to 48 hours. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more home fermentation tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and keeping brewing notes hands-free in the kitchen, and it pairs nicely with a cozy batch of kefir soda. Check the description for the Kindle and other deals before you continue. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Monitor pressure by gently opening a bottle once during fermentation to release excess gas if needed. Taste after 24 hours. If you prefer more fizz, allow another 24 hours but check pressure twice daily. When carbonation reaches your liking, refrigerate bottles to slow fermentation and preserve flavor. Cold storage also helps natural sediment settle. Always open bottles over the sink and tilt slightly to minimize foaming and retain as much liquid as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.